Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2014 Ford Focus and I will show you which fuse to check in case you're having problems with the fuel pump. This video should apply to third generation of Ford Focuses made from 2011 all the way up to 2018. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now the fuse you want to check will be located in a passenger's cabin under the glove box. So I will zoom in and turn on the flash on my phone, so hopefully you'll be able to see it better. Okay. The first thing, you have to remove this cover. To do that, you just have to pull down on these two black plastic screws. So you want to remove those and then lower this shield all the way down. And there in the back you will see the fuse box and the fuses. And the fuel pump fuse, it's a fuse number F56, which is actually all the way up there, the yellow fuse. The top one in the left column. So I will have to remove this wire a bit to show you. Okay, see, this is the one all the way up there. So this is the fuse you want to check, right? This is the first and easiest thing to check if you suspect the problems with the fuel. And then if that's good, then you can measure fuel pressure and things like that. But first things first, check the fuse, right? Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.